In a major judicial shake-up, His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni has made key appointments to the nation's legal leadership. The announcement, communicated via formal press release from the Presidential Press Unit (PPU) on Thursday, May 14, 2026, signals a strategic shift in the administration of the justice in Uganda. According to the official document, the President has appointed Justice Moses Kazibwe Kawumi as the new Deputy Chief Justice. This appointment is a critical move for the judiciary, as the Deputy Chief Justice plays a pivotal role in overseeing the Court of Appeal and assisting the Chief Justice in administrative functions. In addition to the top judicial post, the President has also appointed Our Worship Agnes Alum as the new Chief Registrar. The Chief Registrar is the technical head of the judiciary, responsible for the day-to-day and management of court registries and ensuring the smooth operation of the judicial services across the country. Now, you may need to know the key details of the appointments. New Deputy Chief Justice, Justice Moses Kazibwe Kawuma, and the new Chief Registrar, Our Worship Agnes Alum. Legislative process, the name of the new Deputy Chief Justice has already been forwarded to the Parliament of Uganda for vetting and approval. The effective date, the announcement was released on today, May 14, 2026. Strategic implication, the appointment of the Justice Kawuma comes at a time when the judiciary is focused on reducing case backlogs and enhancing the speed of legal delivery. As noted in the PPU's document, the move to finalize these appointments reflects the President's constitutional mandate to ensure a robust and functional legal system. Farouk Kirundu, the Special Presidential Assistant for Press and Mobilization and Deputy Press Secretary, has emphasized the President's commitment to strengthening government institutions. While this specific release highlights the administrative actions of the PPU, the swift communication underscores the transparency the Presidential Press team aims to maintain regarding high-level executive decisions. The legal fraternity and the general public now look toward Parliament, where the Appointments Committee will review Justice Kawuma's credentials. Until then, the judiciary prepares for a transition that promises to streamline operations from the High Court through to the Court of Appeal.